Sirsen looking like he's going to be charging up against Becker from Austria. Here's the charge, ladies and gentlemen. Big collision. Becker just had the reach to grab that ball. Away from Sørensen. Kronheim crashes in. First possession here to Austria. Holding it in the back line. Kogler starts the drive. Swings, ball being swung wide. Here, no shot, no dish there for Becker, so pushes it back out. Austria will need a shot here soon. 10 seconds or so left on the shot clock, 10 from now. Here comes Austria. 5 on the shot clock. Paddle foul. There by Sørensen. Resets the 60-second shot clock. Kronheim puts it back to Haas. And Austria have a fresh 60 seconds to try to craft a goal here. Oh, ball lost there. Obstruction there called against Austria. Speed now being shown by the Danish under-21 men. Fast break is nullified though. Oh no, I may have spoken too soon. Here's a big shot, partially blocked, and Austria will get the rebound. Kurla has the ball. Just when I thought the fast break wasn't on, the ball suddenly passed up the court for a good, strong shot, but Austrian defense up to the task. I just noticed the graphic, of course, is wrong on our screen. And will be sorted. Of course, right now, 0-0 against between Austria under-21 men and Denmark. 7 minutes 30 left to go in the first half. Austria driving. 4 on the back line. Lettner has a look. Blocked by Willemsen. Willemsen, unlucky, just put that out. He's trying to find a pass, but pressure by Lettner. And Kurla put him out of bounds, so it will be a fresh 60 seconds for Austria men and a corner throw. A little bit of pressure on the corner being placed by Jørgensen. Austria with a 1-4 offensive strategy. Jørgensen running out of options, has a shot, dug out of the goal by Christensen. It was high, it was a rebound, could have fallen in. Christensen did well to control that, and the Danish men here very fast on the break. Ball just underneath the boat of Sørensen, and Denmark men come up with it. Shot there, blocked and rebounded by Haas. Good control by the keeper. Kronheim dribbling. Mild fast break opportunity. There's 4 on 3 if the Austrian men can use it. They elect to reset instead. First pass was blocked. You can see Kronheim working hard in the defense, trying to create space. Here's a good opportunity for Austria men, but blocked there by Willemsen. Christensen. Jørgensen now. Dahl now on the court, will be popular with the New Zealanders. Spent a couple years in New Zealand. Played, has put some good canoe polo over there with the Expose Club. space here now for Denmark. Good space there and a good look by Jørgensen. But I believe that was Becker who scrambled into cover and saved that. It might have been Kogler. No score yet, ladies and gentlemen. Just over 5 minutes gone in this first half. Shot there by Sørensen, but out for a goal line throw. No connection there on that occasion. Here comes Austria, crashing into the defense. Becker on the drive. Oh, big push there on Kurla. He didn't have the ball. Killer. Illegal hand tackle. Kurla will take it. Referee instructing him to get into position. Oh, the pass. Tried to do a no-look pass over to Lettner. Didn't connect with his teammate. Pressure now being played. Well done by Lettner to get that back safely to Kronheim. Curler, that was my mistake. Becker driving. Kogler. Low angle shot here. Defended. Seligman. Thought he might be able to gather that, but it just went out of court before he could regather. Lettner with the corner. Austria persisting with this 1-4 offense, sort of rainbow-shaped back line, curling around the defense. Good ball movement there. Shot by Lettner, blocked out for another corner. No score yet. 7.5 minutes of this game gone, 2 minutes 30 remaining, no score yet. Driving. Becker now. Becker to Kogler. I'm not sure what's happening with the on-screen graphics, ladies and gentlemen. Just bear with us while we work through that. 2 minutes left in the first half, no score. Austria in the red, Denmark in the white boats. Here come Austria. Big shot there. Good tip by Kogler. Here's Austria on the drive again. Another good block by Kogler. That's 2 in a row he's done. Denmark looking for a fast break, but nullified by Austria. Here comes Denmark. Willemsen, inside feed. Oh, off the bottom bar. Austria appealing for a goalkeeper foul. Didn't come though. A shot was placed. Long shot here. Not a bad look by Kronheim. Half a meter wide. Wasn't the worst option. 45 seconds now left in this first half. No score yet. Very tight game between Denmark and Austria. Denmark with possession, the last possession of the first half. Holding the ball on the back line. Denmark will probably go with about 10 seconds left. Just in case they lose the ball, they'll hopefully have taken enough time off the clock that won't leave Austria a chance to shoot. Pass there, just a little high though. Out of bounds, off Becker's boat, and that will be halftime, ladies and gentlemen. I'll take a short break and get back with you very soon. But the score at the moment, 0-0 at the end of the first half. No score. Some good looks by both teams, but nothing in the back of the net yet. Looks like we've been able to sort out the graphic now. You should be able to see that on your screens. A little bit of background information on both the teams here. The Danish under-21 men's have 9 in their squad, and that was picked out of 20 applicants. And they've been training together weekly, so obviously very strong. They remarked that they feel they should have done a lot better at Saint-Omer at the last World Champs 2022. So that's really motivated them to prepare a lot, get a lot stronger and a lot better. So good to see them bounce back, and we wish them well in this competition. Their aim is to make the semis and hopefully, I guess, progress from there. But they see themselves as a top 4 team, and yeah, they're playing pretty well at the moment, very strong. Like I said this morning, a good 5-1 win over Lithuania. For Austria, though, I believe this is the first time they have sent an under-21s men team to Worlds. So really their aim is to qualify for the next World Champs. They're a pretty young team at 18 and a half years old. Have some interesting people in their team. One is a kayak racer and another is a rafting guide. So, you know, obviously used to spending plenty of time on and in the water. Wonderful venue here, and we thank all our sponsors. You can see the sponsors boards across the other side of the water there. Oakley, Mr. Shong, Yupin Sports, to name a few. Thank you to our sponsors. About ready to start this second half. No score, 10 minutes to go. Austria and Denmark lined up. Becker on Polchinski. No, yep. Polchinski wins that. Quarter of a boat length, pretty close, half a boat length. Becker won the first one. Polchinski wins the second. First possession of the second half with Denmark. Christensen. He's a big man. Nice floating pass there. Shot by Willemsen, but blocked out for a corner. I believe that was Haas who got a paddle to it. Polchinski, the charger from the corner. Ball swing to the other side. Powerful shot there by Willemsen, but off the bar. Rebounded Polchinski. Christensen has Dahl with him. In front of Dahl, back to Christensen. Willemsen again. Defense shuffles across. Good cover by the Austrian defense, denying the inside feed. 30 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Dahl again. Oh, Dahl has the ball taken away from him. Becker blocked it with the tip of his paddle, and Austria come up with it. Dahl does good to nullify any attempt at a fast break by Austria. And takes 15 seconds off the shot clock in the process. Danish men will have time to set their defense. Danish men swinging the ball here. Met by Dahl. Back out. Ball's with Becker. Becker dribbles himself. 10 on the shot clock. Need to move the ball here. Find an open man for a decent look. Shot here there by Kurla. Was a bit rushed. Good defense by Denmark, forcing a tough shot. Sends it high. Seligman now. Up to Dahl. Back to Seligman, driving hard down the middle. Austrian defense up to the task as well. No score yet, ladies and gentlemen. 13 minutes of canoe polo gone. Really strong defense by both teams, but Torslin made space for himself. Saved by Kurla, the captain. Pardon me, I think that was Sørensen. Oh, steal here by Polchinski. Will he regather? Who does he have with him? He's running out of room. Try to save it. Steal it and save it, but good pressure by Haas to regather that ball and force it out of bounds. Haas. Approaching the 6-minute mark here in the second half. Seligman working against Dahl on the inside, just out of picture. Here comes the Austrian men. Feeding it inside. Big shot there by Kronan. Off the bar and out though. Seligman regathers. Tries to do so quickly in case there's a fast break opportunity. I do like how these Danish men just get up the court quickly. Advantage being played here. Becker with the boat, illegal boat tackle onto the deck of Willemsen and paddling. Ball now with Jørgensen. Dahl, I should say. Danish men trying to find a feed inside. Paddle foul, deliberate. Looking to feed Polchinski on the inside. That's 7 from Austria with the green card. Paddle foul. It will be a goal penalty shot. Polchinski versus Kurla. So, Polchinski on the 4-meter mark. Kurla under goal. Everyone else outside the 6. Polchinski off the bar. Illegal kayak tackle here against Polchinski. Pressure now coming from the Danish men. They do have that one-man advantage, as Kogler has been sent off the court for 2 minutes, or until Danish score. Oh no, the ball's loose. Who can pick it up? Advantage now being played for Danish men. Jensen. Shot here. Willemsen does it for Denmark. Finally breaks the seal on the Austrian goal. 4 minutes left. Long shot there by Austrian men. Doesn't pay off. Austrian men back to their full 5. The green card cancelled on the power play after the goal was scored. Here's the goal scorer, Willemsen again. Powerful shot, just high, and Austria has an opportunity now. Lettner picks that up. Danish men back in their press, high risk at the moment, putting the pressure on Austria. The sixes, Jürgensen and Haas, going at each other. Exciting stuff here, ladies and gentlemen. Long shot here. Kogler had an open look, put a little bit too much spice on that one, and wasn't accurate enough. Dahl calling for calm. They have that 1-0 lead. Here come the Danish under-21 men. Christensen, good ball movement to Willemsen. Nothing on there for Willemsen. He looked for a shot, looked for a feed, nothing on. Austrian defense up for it. Coming up to the 22nd shot clock mark. Simpson, Christensen, Willemsen. 10 on the shot clock. Feed inside here. Any option there for Dahl? He's got to turn away. We have a reset. Dahl asking the crowd to be quiet and calm as well as his team. He's got it under control, he tells them. 2 minutes left in this game. Danish men up with the narrowest of margins. Christensen. Simpson back to Christensen. Willemsen on the drive as well. Willemsen pops it back out, but we have a pushing goalie foul. This may be the opportunity Austria needs. Little unsportsmanlike warning given to one of the players. Not sure who. Austria, though, here with an opportunity. Nice feed across. Feed from Kogler to Becker, and Becker finishes. Christensen had just drifted to the wrong side of the goal. Scores tied 1-1 with just over a minute to play. Good pressure there by Austrian men to get up the court and into that defense before it had the structures were able to be set up. Denmark pop one over the top. Here's Willemsen, the goal scorer. He'll have another look. Willemsen scores for his second goal, ladies and gentlemen. Willemsen coming up big time. 40 seconds. Austrian men have fought valiantly. Can they score in the last 40 seconds? It has been a really tight match. A draw might be a fair result. Denmark electing to play a 1-2-2 defense. 2 and 9 at the top two. Here comes Austria. Illegal boat tackle there, and the ball thrown away. 8 seconds. This will see the Danish men through to the win. Great game there, ladies and gentlemen. What a match for the second round of the first stage. Massive game there by Denmark. Couple late goals in the game. It was 0-0 for the longest time till about the last 3 or 4 minutes when the goals started coming. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed the polo as much as I did. I've been Carl Massaroto. Pleasure commentating. Next up on this pitch, we should have the New Zealand under-21 men play off against the Singapore under-21 men. Should be a good game.